Have you ever stopped to think about who's responsible for the beautiful blossoms and the fruits on your dinner table? In the grand theater of nature, pollinators play a heroic role, often unseen and unappreciated. They are the diligent workers behind the scenes, ensuring the reproduction of flowering plants and maintaining the health of our ecosystems. From the humble and industrious bees, the graceful butterflies, to the swift and precise birds and bats, these are the unsung heroes of our natural world. Without these tireless workers, our landscapes would look very different. When we think of pollinators, bees and butterflies often come to mind first. Bees, with over 20,000 species globally, are nature's little gardeners. Their hairy bodies and specialized structures like pollen baskets on their hind legs make them efficient at pollination. As these tiny workers busily forage for nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from flower to flower, ensuring the genetic diversity of plant populations. Meanwhile, butterflies and moths, with their long proboscises and vibrant hues, also play a pivotal role. They flit from blossom to blossom, unknowingly performing a vital service for a diverse array of plant species. But bees and butterflies aren't the only ones doing the heavy lifting. Did you know that even some birds and bats are crucial pollinators? Hummingbirds, for instance, with their long, slender bills, are well-known pollinators in the Americas. These tiny, fast-flapping creatures access nectar from tubular flowers, inadvertently transferring pollen in the process. Similarly, bats play a vital role in the pollination of night-blooming flowers in tropical regions, their nocturnal habits making them perfect for this task. And let's not forget the small mammals like certain rodents and marsupials that also contribute to pollination. As diverse as they are, all pollinators face common threats. From habitat loss to pesticide exposure, the challenges facing pollinators are daunting. Imagine a world without bees, butterflies, or hummingbirds. It's a grim picture, isn't it? Our pollinators are under threat, facing the harsh realities of habitat degradation, pesticide poisoning, and the unpredictable shifts of climate change. Diseases, too, are a silent enemy, weakening colonies and diminishing numbers. But there's hope in conservation. By preserving and restoring habitats, we provide a safe haven for these creatures. Minimizing pesticide use safeguards their health, and sustainable agricultural practices ensure their survival. It's up to us to protect these remarkable creatures and the essential services they provide.